This male western grebe is looking for love. It's mating season. To prove he's a worthy partner, he'll have to perform a carefully choreographed dance. Grebes only pair up if they're perfectly in sync with one another. But it takes two to tango. And this male is struggling to find a dance partner. Try as he might, his approach is getting him nowhere. And muscling in on a happy couple isn't going to work. His chances are fading. But after searching this 6-mile-long lake, might finally pay off. A single female. Strong eye contact is an engaging greeting. Now he must echo her every move. But can he dance? By taking up to 20 steps a second, they glide together across the water, showing off their stamina and coordination, a sign they're in tune. These lovers will dance together until the season's end.